Audio Jungle.
The 2024 Audi S3 isn't a track hero like its mightier sibling, the 401 horsepower RS3, but it's still a lot of fun. What makes the S3 more entertaining than the regular 201 horsepower A3 sedan that it's based on? How about a 306 horsepower Turbo 4 that shoved it to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds, almost 2 ticks quicker than the A3? The all-wheel drive only S3 isn't just quicker, its specially tuned chassis provides better handling too, with a ride that straddles the line between livable and lively. The 2024 S3 mostly gives Audi fans a little sedan that's sportier than the regular A3 yet less extreme, and less expensive than the racy RS3. The price of the 2024 Audi S3 starts at $48,495 and goes up to $55,395 depending on the trim and options. The S3's cabin is nearly identical to the new A3's but adds some racier styling elements such as sport seats with quilted leather inserts and a flat-bottom steering wheel. The S3 uses the same toggle switch gear selector as the A3 as well. The S3 comes with a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 10.3-inch digital gauge display. Passenger space is slightly more generous than in the previous Gen S3, but the new car's trunk is smaller. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.